In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front parking light on your Hyundai Elantra. And after watching this video, if you think you saved just $1 of your time and your money, then please use that PayPal link over there and send us just $1. That's it. Now you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to do this, right? So my flathead's kind of chipped, so that's what a nice flathead looks like. But get a longer screwdriver. The longer it is, the better it is. Okay, that's going to make your job much easier. So let's get started. Open the driver's side door. And now we'll pull the primary hood release lever, that's by the driver's left side foot. And now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Hyundai emblem there, put one finger in and push it to the left. And just pull the hood up. This hood requires a prop rod, so pull the prop rod out and put it in that slot with the arrow marking it. Now first let's do the passenger side one. So the way to access it is right there behind the windshield washer reservoir there. So that's the cap. It's kind of tight space, but like all you're going to be able to get in there is just one finger or two if you have small fingers. Just twist it left like that and the cap just comes right out. Now use that flathead screwdriver and you see that black thing there, that's the bulb holder. Okay, so we're going to put the flathead screwdriver over there and use the screwdriver to pull that bulb holder out. The bulb holder even has like a little edge over there which is designed just so that can be pulled out using a screwdriver. Now once that the bulb holder is out, all you got to do is just get the bulb out, which is just done by pulling it out. You only both your hands for this. Just pull the bulb out and that's it. Get the new bulb, align it over there with the slots on the bulb holder. See that brown spot there? That's the slots there. So just align it and push the new bulb in its place. Just like that. Now let's just put the bulb holder in its place. It's easy. And it just goes in one way. Make sure that edge though, the one that we used to pull it out with the screwdriver, it stays on top for the future if I have to do this again. Put it in, clicked. Now when you're going to put the cap back on, make sure it's at like a 10:30 position, right? So that's 12 o'clock, that's 9, so somewhere in the middle, like 10:30. So that's how it should go in. Once it's in, you twist it right and you lock it in place. So when you put it in that 10:30 position, it just sits flush right away. Okay, see now it's sitting flush. Just again use a couple fingers and twist it right to lock it in its place. That's pretty much it. Now let's go do this driver's side one. Now the driver's side one is over there behind the headlight, right there. So now the driver's side one is the exact same process as the passenger side one. The reason I did the passenger side one is because it's easier to show you. It's more space over there for the camera. So this is the exact same process though. Just grab that cover and then twist it left. See now that it's unlocked, just grab the cover and it will come right out. Now again, just let's use the screwdriver and pull the bulb holder out. Alright, be careful you don't hit the wires when you're doing this. You don't want to damage those wires there. See that? The exact same thing. Same bulb holder, same bulb type. All you have to do again is just pull the bulb out, put the new bulb back in, and then you're done. Same thing as the passenger side one. Now when you're going to put this cap back on though, you're going to put it in at like 12 o'clock. And then twist it right to about 1:30. So the cap's back in, it's at 12 o'clock position. Again, couple fingers and twist it right. And when you're doing this, make sure your fingers don't rub against the metal there. It's kind of sharp. Let's go try out this now. Hey, this looks good, right?